Hello beautiful people, and you're welcome back again to my channel. On this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this sweet coconut fried rice for my kids. I don't know if your child or your kids are struggling with eating vegetables, or they don't like vegetables, or they don't like eating vegetables. Which of them? Just let me know in the comment section below. For me, my kids have some vegetables they don't like, and they have the ones they like. So when I wanted to prepare this coconut rice for them, they told me what they want inside and what they don't want. They told me they needed sausage instead of fajitas, and they choose those vegetables for me too. So if you want to make your kids eat fried rice and make them enjoy it after you taking your time to cook the food, just try and ask them which of the vegetables do they want to eat, or which one do they like, and just use that vegetable. You can change it, and you can change anything. You can add egg to this fried rice, you can use sausage, you can use anything you want depending on the taste of your child. Don't forget, it's very important they enjoy the food, because it will be very painful after spending time in the kitchen and the kids don't eat the food. So if you want to know how I make this delicacy, this sweet malicious looking delicacy, you want to continue watching. Okay, first I sliced everything. I sliced the sausages, the red pepper, the onions, the carrot. I parboiled my rice, the green peas. I have my ginger powder, my curry powder, my stock cube, and of course my coconut milk. So everything is set for cooking. So we are just gonna start cooking this food right now. Continue washing. Okay, so I'll add the coconut milk, pour it into the clean washed pot. Okay, and rinse the remaining one. I'm afraid as well because nothing needs to be wasted. If you want to use fresh coconut, it's very okay. If you want to use only water without coconut, it's still very okay. The recipe will still come out very fine. So I'm gonna bring it to boil at this particular time to allow that coconut milk to just boil up or boil out. Then I'm gonna add my spices, my curry, my ginger, my stock cube, my bay leaf, my salt, my curry, everything. I'm just gonna add everything together, okay, plus my garlic. Then I'll turn it, then I'll pour my rice to parboil, and that will be cooking on one side. And here I'm just gonna place in my butter in the hot frying pan, allow it to melt, and afterwards I start frying my vegetables. I'm starting with onions. I'm just gonna steam that onions to make it look very caramel. You know, children, I'm using a lot of onions. Okay, I'm just gonna allow it to melt properly. As in, I really fried these onions. I took my time to fry it to melt properly so that they will not feel that crunchiness of the onions inside. It will just melt, because even my baby of a year and 11 months old, it's gonna eat this food. So I need to make everything very delicious for them to eat. So I added my carrot to it, and I just kept frying. As you can see, I didn't add anything, no salt, no Maggi, nothing. I'm just frying it like that. Then I added my green peas to it, and I'm just going to continue frying. You see the colors, they're so just beautiful, and they look so inviting, like very inviting. And I'm adding my red pepper to it. Okay, I'm adding my red pepper. Actually, I sliced a little of unripe fresh pepper to it to give it that little hotness. It wasn't hot, just little hotness. I added it into it, okay, while I was cooking. Then I poured in my sausage, and I'm gonna stir everything together. I'm just gonna stir everything together and allow it to steam properly. Okay, as you can see, I'm testing. I am doing some testing. So I'm just gonna continue, allow it to steam and cook well, so that all the vegetables they get into or that. And they were just coming together. And when I tasted it, it was just fine. As in, the taste was very, very okay. There was no need for salt. There was no need for anything extra. And don't forget, this recipe is for kids, so we don't want to pack salt into them. Okay, just try this. Don't add anything. And the most important thing is your rice is parboiled and cooked well with the spice and everything. That would cover it up and make everything just blend together. So I'm done with that. I'm just gonna start putting a little of it. I put everything out of the fry pan, and right now I put a little of it, small of the vegetable and small of the rice. The rice is cooked, and I'm just gonna start frying and frying and frying. I didn't have any other thing. I'm just gonna fry and fry and fry it and fry it and fry it. This rice, like when I was preparing this food, my kids were in the kitchen with me. Like they were kind of, mommy, can I taste? Mommy, can I taste? Mommy, I need sausage. Mommy, can I taste one sausage? Mommy, can I taste one carrot? Mommy, can I taste this? They were just there. We actually cooked this food together because they chose what they wanted to eat that day. So I am just frying it, as you can see. It's coming out so well, and the aroma is something else. You know, with the coconut. You know how I love coconut, right? You know how I love coconut. So I'm just gonna continue frying like this and continue frying and continue frying. And I'll just continue frying. Okay, this is really where the main job is. You need to make sure you fry everything together with low heat, low flame. You can make it higher if you want. If you want to make it very toasted, as well toasted and blended well. Okay, you're just gonna continue frying it, and right now my fried rice is ready to be served, and my kids can't wait. I was filming and they were kind of, mommy, I am hungry. I told them, just give me some moment, let me do some snapping. Okay, as you can see, it's ready. It's on the dining table, already to be served. Thank you all so much for watching. And if this is the first time of passing through my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video, because I've got a lot of things coming your way. And for my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. You all are amazing. Thank you all. You can see the way I'm talking. I'm no longer concentrated, as in kind of, I am no longer concentrating because of this food.